my second video on estimation. I think in my previous video I have explained the quantity of foundations. So in that quantity of foundation I have left out the quantity of steel. How to calculate the quantity of steel? I wanted to explain this topic in a separate video. So this is, you can take it as continuation of my previous video. So in the below the description box, you'll get the link of my previous video. So just paste that. So types of steel used in construction. So basically we use two type of steel. That is, one is your reinforcing steel. First is your reinforcing steel, which are this bars, reinforcement bars. So those are mostly circular bar. And other type of steel is structural steel, like we use plates or plates or structural members. So structural members generally we that per meter weight is already provided by the vendor. So we will be calculating the weight of plate, and we will be calculating the weight of reinforcing bar. So for that, the basic concept of calculation of weight of anything is nothing but volume into density. So the density of steel, the structural steel and reinforcing steel, we are using 7850 kg per meter cube. So the volume is nothing but area into length. So first I'll talk about this reinforcing steel reinforcement. So let's say we have a 10 mm dia bar. So this 10 mm dia bar, how we'll calculate the uh, weight of 10 mm dia bar per meter. So once we get the weight per meter, then we can multiply with the length. That will give you total weight of that bar. So let's go to that. So the basic formula, the area for 10 mm bar is, for any circular bar, is pi d square by 4. So this is area into, let's say, length we are considering 1 meter, because we are calculating per meter. So this is the volume of bar, reinforcing bar, per meter into 7850. This formula has been simplified as d square by 162 into the whatever length you require. So that length will give you the total reinforcing steel. But right now we are considering length as 1 meter. We are calculating per meter. So d square by 10 square by 162. So 10 square by 162, just you can just calculate first. Just use your calculator so that we can calculate 160. 10 square 10 square 1 second, 10 square divided by 162. So this is 0.6173 kg per meter. So this is the weight of reinforcement bar 10 mm dia bar. If you are using 20, same formula you have to apply. 20 square by 162, that will give you per meter weight of that bar. So hope this area, how to calculate the volume of reinforcing bar, is clear to you. Now we'll go to the plate section. So let's say plate of size 400 mm by 400 mm into zero point 0.4, or let's say 400 mm thick. So the volume will be, these are all in zero point 0.4 into zero point 0.4 into zero point 0.4. Generally we don't use 400 mm thick plate. So this is just a value I have considered to explain. This will be your volume into, again, 7850. 7850 is density of steel. This actually we are not using. So let's say this is 40 mm, otherwise you may confuse. So we are using 40 mm, that means 0.04 meters. So zero point 0.4 into zero point 0.4 into zero point 0.04. So this is the volume, that is 0.0064 meter cube into 7. 7850. The unit of 7850 is kg per meter cube. That means these meter cube get cancelled and you are left with only kg. Why we are multiplying the density into volume? Because the unit should be, the dimensional unit should be only kg. So 0.0064 into 7850 kg. So let's calculate it. 0.0064 into 7850. It is 50.24 kg. So this is the weight of this size of plate size. So this way you can calculate the weight of the weight of structural steel. You can calculate the weight of reinforced steel. So this video is nothing but continuation but with a depth calculation of your reinforcing bar and structural steel plate. If you need to calculate the weight of the members like ISMB or channel section or angle section, so these the members like say 65 65 6. So these members come with a unit weight. You'll get the unit weight per meter weight. You'll get, otherwise same condition applies here. You have to multiply the, like this is the this is the angle 65 65. So 65 mm 65 mm. So per meter length, if you're calculating per meter length, so that will be the volume of this into again your 7850. So you can calculate either way. Otherwise mostly these sections we get the weight per unit weight from the vendor. So if you have any doubt in this, you can anytime you can raise your queries. We'll try to clarify your doubts. So thank you, have a nice day, take care, and please subscribe to our channel and keep sharing our videos.